The big bear, the big rapist. Camel, suck camel. Hey, you, little ugly kid, Tony, where are you? You're going down. You're going suck it. You're going suck it.
Wait, how do you zoom in?
All the kids over here. I'm gonna wait for all of them.
How do you zoom in?
Ooh, he makes me suck his peanut. The rapist bear is raping a little kid. Oh, suck it. Yeah, you're gonna suck it. Yeah, smell it.
1, 2, 3.
Ding, ding, ding. And this is the match. The rapist bear has won. It's showing you his thingy. Hey, rapist bear.
Ah!
Wait. How did it go with the fight? Wait until this ugly kid was trying to whip me. I'm the rapist bear. What does he think he's doing? Huh? What does this punk think he's doing? Man, I was whipping him like boom, boom, boom. And then he went in the back of me and he's like, take it off, bitch. Now he's gonna kick us. Alright, rapist bear, you're done, rapist bear. Okay, Tony, ¿qué pensaste de la pelea? ¿Por qué perdiste? ¿Qué te hizo ese oso?
Me pegó y me selló tu bici.
And the rapist bear has won. One and all, the rapist only bear.